Hi. So before starting implementing this project step by step, let me give you a quick overview of the workflow of this project, that is AI powered fashion image generator using Nano Banana plus N8N. So it started with a node that is on form submission. So it starts with the workflow when a user submits a form by uploading an outfit or plain dress image which needs to be transformed into high quality model photos with natural poses, and by providing a simple prompt such as an Indian actress wearing this dress in full body pose. After that, you can see we have the next node, that is upload image. So it is going to upload the submitted image to IMGBB, which is image hosting, and then you will get a public URL. And then the next node is analyze image. So it is going to extract details like caption, text, colors, style from the uploaded image for context. And here it is going to use OpenAI model. And then you can see we have the prompt generator. It is going to combine the user's prompt with the AI analysis to generate a strong, detailed final prompt for image generation. And then it will move to the next node, that is Q image. So it will send the generated prompt to the image generation API and places the request in a queue. And then we have the wait node. It pauses the workflow to give time for the image generation process to complete. So here we will use 30 seconds. And then the next node is retrieve image. So it is going to check the status of the queued image generation task. And then we have used the if node. It decides whether the image is ready or is still processing. If ready, moves forward. If not, loops back and ends with an error. And then we have the get image node. So it is going to retrieve the final generated model image once it's available. And finally, it is going to send the generated image to the user client via email. So in short, user uploads dress image plus prompt. Image is analyzed, prompt is redefined, sent to Nano Banana for generation, resulting model photo retrieved and delivered to user via email. So this is a quick overview of this project. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.